Hi, and thank you for joining me. So this is the second part of the floral workshop that I did recently. This is the terrarium part of this, and we had a bunch of different succulents, great orchids, and lots of supplies provided for us by Thornhill Florist. Thank you so much. Here the first step of the terrarium. So we had this gorgeous bowl, and first is the river rocks at the bottom. Second portion is putting almost like a rug of moss on top of it. This again kind of soaks up the moisture and prevents rotting in a way. Then starting to kind of take away the excess soil and placing the succulents on top of the moss. Here's the second succulent. I have another one, and here's a shorter one, which I think creates nice kind of different levels, short versus taller succulents. And again, more moss to just kind of fill in the gaps where the soil is. A little bit of rocks on top. I have also added a beautiful orchid. I'll show later how I added them. And over here I have a couple of pink stones. I think they also kind of add a little extra dimension. Here are other ladies of the workshop doing creative things. And here are some of the final pieces. Over here I wanted to show how I added the orchids. So we had beautiful orchids, and then these kind of, I'm not sure how to call them, but they have water in them, and when you place an orchid into it, the orchid will last much longer. So I have chosen to have two over here, and that is it. So thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this, and please subscribe and share if you would like to see more of videos such as these. Thank you. Bye.